Hello dear Cancerians, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the full moon or the blood moon, I would say, that's falling on the May 26, 2021. The deck that I'm using for the special messages is this one. Let's begin shuffling. Hope you guys are keeping safe and healthy. Oops, okay. One card just fell out. Oops, I don't know what's happening. The Angel of Health, Wealth and Happiness. No, sorry. Yeah, this deck maybe wanted your attention. I'm going to shuffle it one more time. The cards want to pop out. Since one card is already out, I'm going to select the other one. This one looks nice. It's the Angel of Change. Okay. Cancerians, these are your two messages. Alright, so let's see what the Angel of Change has to say. It's asking you, Cancers, that are you experiencing major changes that are challenging your emotional state? So some of you might be dealing with major changes. That could be changes in your personal life. That could be changes in your work life. Maybe some of you guys are changing jobs or starting a new career path altogether, changing lines because you thought maybe due to the pandemic your field is not going to give you the desired efforts or results. They are results. So maybe you guys are changing your path altogether, and that's kind of causing you obviously a lot of emotional strain also, because you're like, I don't know if this is going to work out for me. I don't know whether this is the right time to change the field. I don't know, maybe I'm too old to change the field, or if it's going to give me the same benefits, or what are people going to say about it, and blah blah blah. All sorts of things are going into your mind. So the angel is asking you that whatever change it is, whether that's a new relationship, that are some changes or tweaks that you've made in your current relationship in order to improve, or that's a change of place, that's a change of anything, that's saying angel is asking you to trust in the process of change and honor your feelings. Like if you're feeling scared, it's okay, but trust in the process of change. Take the time to balance energy. Pay particular attention to the health of your nerves, bones and muscles. Okay, so some of you might be feeling some bones, some aches in your body, in your muscles, in your bones, or some nerves somewhere. It's saying please pay close attention. If you want to see a doctor, take an online appointment and see a doctor and figure it out what's causing you that. Of course, stress can cause a lot of things, emotional imbalance, and especially with major changes around you, it might be causing you a lot of anxiety that you're going through in your life. Trust the process, because everything is going to be fine, because the angel of change is with you. Means trust the process, embrace the change. This change is going to be, this is your path basically, Cancerians. This is your path. Some people's path is like this, some people's path is like this, but that doesn't mean it's a wrong path. So this is your path. If your path is asking you to go like this, then go like this. You can't help it. You can't compare it with the other person and say that their path was this, or their relationship was so smooth, I have to take such turns in my relationship, or I have to make new relationships because my previous one didn't work, and stuff like that. So don't do that. It's their path and this is your path, and no path is wrong. Okay, take the time to balance energy. Why? Because when you start something new, you are scared, you don't know what to do. You feel like, I don't think this is working, I don't think this is for me, or I maybe the previous job was better, or maybe the previous relationship was better, maybe the previous person was better. No, balance the energy out. You don't know the new person or the new job. You will take time. Give it time. Give it time. Balance the energy out means try to know more about your job, your new job profile, or if it's a person in your personal life, then try to know more about the person in your life. And if it's about the major changes or new career paths, then of course you have to give it time, because you don't know whether it's going to work it out or not, but this is saying that it's going to work it out. So yeah, I mean, what you're doing right now may be completely new from what you have been doing, completely different, and people might be saying, what are you doing, this is not even your field. Maybe you're like shifting streams from, I don't know, commerce to medical. So stuff like that, you're doing something very very drastically different, and people might be questioning around you, and that's why you are having this second thoughts about this change. But no, do what you want to do. Okay, the positive affirmation to help you make this change smoothly and embrace this change wholeheartedly is, you can start saying this and say at least 3 times consecutively. You can say this before sleeping or early in the morning as you lie. The positive affirmation is, I embrace the changes occurring in my life. I recognize that all changes bring better life situations. I am grateful that the energy flowing through me is in balance. I have a strong physical structure. Sorry about that. All parts of my body feel good. So that in turn will help you feel better, balance your body and your anxiety issues that you're going through right now, and will also help you make better decisions in your life, help you to choose the correct path. Okay, now we come to the angel of health, wealth and happiness. Again, definitely, I guess these anxiety issues are causing you some kind of troubles, maybe bones and nerves and muscles pain, as the angel of change is also suggesting. The angel of health, wealth and happiness also comes into the picture when you're suffering from something, or when you think that there's a lack of happiness in your life, or lack of money in your life, or lack of health in your life, right? So the angel is asking you, how is your health? The first thing. What's going on for you financially? So some of you don't might change might be thinking about changing a job, or have left the job thinking that this is not my path. So you're constantly stressing about money, and that's in turn is causing you health problems. The angel is asking you to take the necessary steps to improve your well-being. Eat health promoting foods and incorporate exercise into your daily life. You have good fortune and live a charmed life. So, definitely, Cancerians, you have a good fortune. Okay, so it's not that luck is not by your side. So, whatever you do, the angels will be guiding you through. So, do not worry about that. Do not stress over it. Just pay close attention to your health. Drink enough water, like it's saying. Eat healthy, a balanced diet, exercise regularly. A lot of people ignore exercise, even I do that. So I think why exercise is important, because they say that we build up a lot of negative emotions inside us. So if we are not moving our body, the negative emotions will always be in us. If you see, when you work out, you feel good. Why? Because those negative emotions are then taken out of your body. So work out, even if that means half an hour of walk, or whatever stretching exercise that you can do, but do a minimum half an hour. Okay, and in order to feel better about everything that your life has to offer, is these positive affirmations that you need to speak. I am healthy, prosperous and happy. I am grateful for and enjoy all of the gifts that come into my life. All is well, I am joyous and life is good. I have gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. This is not me, this is your angel telling you. See, gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. So I think that some of you have everything that you need. You might not have the job right now, but you do have the money to sustain. You might not have a boyfriend or girlfriend or relationship right now, but you do have a pretty okay life that's going on. And trust me, just because you're single doesn't mean your life that's the end of the world. It doesn't mean that, because I know a lot of people who are just there in relationships because they want to be in the relationships, even if they're not happy. People are in marriages and they are not happy, but they are there because they have to show it to the world, or they are just too weak to accept the fact that the relationship is not good enough, so they won't break up, or they won't give divorce. They are just there. So instead of being in that situation, I believe you guys who are single and you're happy, it's more than enough. So you have the right kind of money that you need to sustain right now. You have the right person, that's you yourself, instead of being with a bad person or a person who's not good enough for you. So you have parents, you have a roof over your head. Just take care of your health. You have everything you need. Luck is by your side, the angels are by your side. The changes that are happening, maybe you guys ended a relationship and you're starting a new relationship, or making changes in your relationship, or starting a new job, or changing your career path. The angel of change is also by your side. So whatever is gonna happen is gonna be great. So don't worry, Cancerians, everything's gonna be fine. Say these affirmations, start them today, speak until the blood moon, which is May 26th, 2021, and you might feel better. You might be able to see why is all this happening. You might be questioning this, so you will able to see it better. Right, so this was your reading and the special messages from your guardian angels. I will see you guys soon. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.